already started using CAD modelling a bit more. We've started programming our own jobs. We recently produced one from start to finish, so we programmed it all and then modelled it, programmed it, and then machined it.
Brilliant. Again, we hear the term digital twin bandied around a lot, but it doesn't really sink in how important that is till you've got one. Till you've got the CAD model of something, all of a sudden you can do anything. Fantastic to hear. So what are your next steps? Addison, Matt, are you looking to develop that side of the business a bit, bring in more capability to reduce a bit of risk, train more people up? What's the next steps from here, do you think?
Well, the definites are we intend to carry on taking 2 apprentices on per year.
Wow.
Every apprentice will go through the 3D course with themselves. We do have 2 pretty top flight 3D printers.
Good stuff.